Right, we're going to complete the square again, but this time it's harder than the previous one. And again, I advise you to watch question 9, watch how we do this one, and then have a go at question 10, and watch the next video and see how you did. So for this one here, before we complete the square, what I want to do is factor out the number in front of the x squared term. I can factor it out of just the first two terms, so it's going to be 2, and then we're going to have x squared, take away 6x, and the plus 23 just stays there. And now I'm going to complete the square as if it was just this. So it becomes 2. I like to use a square bracket because then we're going to have 2 brackets, so it tells you which one's which. I'm going to get x minus, and remember when we're completing the square we just do half of this number. So half of -6 is -3 squared, and then we need to take away the square of that number in the bracket of it. So we're going to take away 9, because the square of -3 is +9, so we take away 9. And this is all still inside that square bracket, plus 23. Now we want to expand this square bracket, so it's going to be 2 times by x minus 3 squared, that just attaches onto that bracket. 2 times by -9 becomes -18, plus 23. And then we can see that the -18 and the plus 23 is going to tidy up nicely to 5. So it's going to be 2 lots of x minus 3 squared plus 5. And this is just like in the other video, the turning point. The turning point is when we hit the minimum value of y here. So if we think, if we were saying that y equals 2 lots of x minus 3 squared plus 5, the smallest value that this first part of our equation here can equal is 0. If we square something, it's always going to be positive, or at the very least 0. So when is this 0? It is 0 when x equals 3. So our minimum happens when x equals 3, and when x equals 3, this first part here is going to all equal 0. So y will equal 5 at that point. Right, so have a go at question 10. I'm going to go through that in the next video, and I'll be a bit quicker so that you can see how you did.